Hello guys, welcome to Ackeo Crafts channel. In today's video for PC under $850 you will see an AMD configuration which is very good for today's games and it will be good for upcoming games. Let's not take long to start. CPU is AMD Ryzen 5 1600 with 3.6 GHz 6 cores 12 threads. Comes with a CPU cooler, but you can use some more serious cooling or even water cooling. Compared to its rivals, Intel Core i5 7600. This processor proved to be significantly better compared to the Ryzen 5 1600. The Core i5-7600 achieved 68% the performance in POV and 57% the performance in Cinebench. If you buy the CPU for $176 you won't make a mistake, and it is cheaper than Intel Core i5 7600. We saw this motherboard MSI B350M Pro VDH in previous video, so I will not talk much about. I'll just mention it, that is MATX AM4 socket motherboard, B350 chipset. Comes with 4x USB 2.0 and 4x USB 3.0. Built-in audio and integrated Ethernet. Supports RAM memory to 3200 MHz speed. Price is about $70. Graphic card comes from EVGA and it is GeForce GTX 1060 SC gaming with single fan. GPU has 3 GB GDDR5 memory. 5 display outputs, which is great for 1080p gaming in any game. If you want better gaming performance or overclocking, you should use dual fan EVGA GPU because of heat dissipation. Gamers which use this card said that this is brutal GPU for this price and it launches most of games. Price of $260 is best buy. RAM memory for this PC must be fast, so I decided for Patriot Viper Elite Series DDR4 8 GB 2666 MHz. It comes in dual channel kit, but if you want you can use 2 kits for more memory. On motherboard you have 4 slots, so it will not be a problem. Price is $90. For storage you can use whatever you want. I used this HDD Western Digital Blue 1TB on 7200 for $43 and ALS Western Digital Green 2.5 inches SSD. With capacity of 120 GB for $52. However, you can use only SSD with bigger capacity or this like I used. For power supply we will needed EVGA 550B3, which is fully modular and it has EVGA Eco mode. EVGA bronze power supplies have become synonymous with industry-leading stability, performance, and value. Price is $70. Case for PC is Corsair Carbide Spec 02. Mid-tower ATX, good layout, and good cable management. Comes with 1x 120mm red LED fan in the front and 1x 120mm fan in the rear. This is a real gamer case with transparent side panel. Total price for this PC is $847.42, which is not too much for this gamer PC. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment below to say me what you think about this videos. Also subscribe to my channel. See you in next video.